Here we are with worksheet 17.2. In this video I'll be doing 15 through number 18. So we have a sequence right here, 9, 4, negative 1, negative 6. We need to write the explicit equation. So that means either arithmetic or geometric. If I'm asking for this setup, that's the recursive definition. So 9 to 4, I subtracted 5. I subtract 5, I subtract 5. So this is subtracting 5 every time. So this is an arithmetic equation. So T of n is equal to, if I subtract 5 every time, that's usually the minus 5n, and I need the initial value. This is T of 1, T of 2, T of 3, T of 4. So I need to go back to the initial value T of 0. So I would add 5 to 9, so that would be a 14. So it's 14 minus 5n for the explicit equation. So here we want it done recursively. So T of what is negative 11? So 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, that would be T of 5. T of 5 is negative 11. T of n plus 1 is equal to the previous one, T of n minus 5. That would be your recursive definition. This one is the arithmetic definition. To find the fifth term in the sequence, which equation would be more valuable, explicit or recursive? Well, if we have this already filled out, the recursive just tells us look at the previous one and subtract 5. So if I only want the fifth term, the recursive is easier because I just look at the previous term. To find the 112th term, if I'm doing recursive, to find the 112th term, I need to look at the 111th and then subtract 5. But to know the 111th, I need to look at the 110th. So forth and so on, all the way back down to here. So recursive would take forever. However, if I use the explicit equation, or the arithmetic, 112, I would plug in 112, 14 minus 5 times 112. So the explicit equation would be the way to go for the large terms. The recursive would be the way to go for the short term.